Hello guys, welcome to the first session on quant revision for CAT 2024 exam. But before that, we'll start with a story. आप लोगों को पता है कि I am quite fond of telling stories. तो ये स्टोरी में आपको ऐसे कैट की कोई स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं पता चलेगी. यहाँ पे ये स्टोरी किसी हमारे एक्स स्टूडेंट की नहीं है जिसने बहुत अच्छा स्कोर किया और अभी लाइफ में बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है. This story is about my friend, and here you will learn some life lessons. So this guy, we'll not name this person because I'll be revealing quite a few secrets of his life, which he may not be comfortable sharing with anyone. So this guy, he was in our school. He was my classmate. He was a good student, good in sports, good in studies. सब सही था. He scored around 84% in his 10th standard, which was a good score. है ना, हमारे टाइम पे अच्छा स्कोर हुआ करता था. अभी तो 90% भी एकदम गाली बराबर है. But then around 84% he scored in his 10th. Then, like half of India, we started preparing for IIT JEE. So we all were taking efforts. We all were putting in the hours. And सब कुछ सही चल रहा था. And we were preparing for IIT JEE. But 11th, 12th के आसपास बीच में कहीं तो भी this guy, his father met with an accident and he lost his father. So it was a big emotional loss, but it was also a big financial loss for the family as well. सब कुछ सही था. They had a home, तो वो चीज sorted थी. But then they were finding it difficult to make their ends meet. तो ऐसा फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रगल चल रहा था उसके लाइफ में. देन थोड़ा सा इमोशनली लॉस्ट था. स्कोर्ड अराउंड 70% इन हिज 12th स्टैंडर्ड. गॉट इनटू अ प्राइवेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज इन नागपुर. कंप्लीटेड हिज इंजीनियरिंग प्रॉपरली, मतलब 4 साल में प्रॉपरली कंप्लीट किया विदाउट एनी बैकलॉग्स. हार्डली एक आधी का भी बैकलॉग होगा तो होगा, बट 4 साल में प्रॉपरली इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट की. फॉलोड बाय दैट देन ही वॉज कंफ्यूज कि यार किस फील्ड में मुझे अपना करियर आगे लेके जाना है. He was thinking about IES, Indian Engineering Services. But उसके लिए तब गेट एग्जाम लगती थी एंड गेट एग्जाम में there was a certain criteria which he was not meeting. So we were group of friends sitting at his home and we were thinking, we were discussing कि क्या कर सकते हैं और लाइफ में. So I vividly remember, उसके मम्मी ने मुझे ऐसे पॉइंट आउट करके बोला था, अनिकेत अगर लाइफ में कोई भी एक एग्जाम आप अच्छे से क्रैक करोगे, your life will be sorted. है ना. it is not a very strong statement. मतलब मेरे बाकी दोस्तों को उतना strongly feel नहीं हुआ वो, but then वो बात मेरे दिल को छू गई. ठीक है. I can still see his mummy standing over there and telling me that. है ना. So it was that strong a statement according to me. And वो सही भी बात है यार. अगर आप लाइफ में कोई एक एग्जाम एकदम अच्छे से क्रैक करोगे, your life will be sorted at least financially. आप IIT JEE करो, CAT, GRE, GMAT, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम क्रैक करो, CA बन जाओ, कोई एक एग्जाम अच्छे से क्रैक करो एंड योर लाइफ विल बी सॉर्टेड. ठीक है. यस, कमिंग बैक टू द स्टोरी. सो यस, फाइनली ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही विल गेट इनटू MBA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. ही स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर MBA एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स लाइक CAT, SNAP, NMAT. सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए अपियर किया उसने. स्कोर्ड अराउंड 84 परसेंटाइल, 85 परसेंटाइल इन CAT एग्जाम, विच वॉज नॉट अ वेरी बिग स्कोर और वेरी गुड स्कोर. But he got calls from IIM Cap Rounds. तो Cap Round के interviews में गया, but could not convert any of the IIMs. Then he started preparing for MBA CET exam, which is the state level exam for Maharashtra candidates. So he appeared for the exam. He scored around 98.99 percentile. Almost 99 percentile in the exam. According to that score, मतलब previous year के कट ऑफ के हिसाब से he should have got into Wellinger College. But by God's grace, he got into Sydenham Institute. He got the last seat of Sydenham Institute. तो इसमें हुआ ऐसा कि it was a big financial support. Wellinger College में 5-6 लाख का फीस होता था एंड Sydenham Institute में 1.5 लाख में आपका रहना खाना, MBA की ट्यूशन फीस, एवरीथिंग वॉज कवर्ड. ठीक है. एज आई टोल्ड यू, दिस वॉज अ bit of a financial struggling phase of his life for his family as well. ठीक है. So this situation happened in 2009. So 2009 he lost his father and he then got into Sydenham Institute. By the end of 2016 he got into his first job, which was a campus placement इन ICICI बैंक, 10 लाख रुपए के आसपास उसको जॉब लगा था. So 2009 to 2016 he got his first job. Then now his fortune changed. I mean everything changed in his life for good. वो 10 लाख की जॉब in 2024, now his job is around of 40 lakh rupees and he has purchased his dream home in Mumbai. मतलब 3 करोड़ का उसने घर ले लिया है, सी फेसिंग घर है उसका. This is the life which you can also have. Within 7 years, 8 years, he has achieved this. And he has achieved this from scratch. अभी आप बोलोगे कि सर ये तो मतलब लाखों लोग हैं इंडिया में जिनके पास 3 करोड़ का घर है, लाखों लोग हैं इंडिया में जिनकी 40 लाख की पैकेज है. बट he has done it from the scratch and he has done it without any generational wealth. तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. And my point here is कि see the growth that you are going to have if you do MBA from a tier 2 or a tier 1 institute. You need to have a good career start. अगर आप CAT एग्जाम में 95 परसेंटाइल लाते हो, you will have a career start of around 15 lakh rupees approximately. And then इसके बाद की लाइफ आपकी ऐसी हो सकती है. So make sure that अभी around 30 days left for the CAT exam, क्योंकि I am deducting 4-5 days of Diwali, तो around 30 days left for the CAT exam. Make sure that you put in the maximum effort that you can. And if you do that, you can guarantee a life like this guy has. So put in that effort and we will be there right from start till the end, है ना? I mean हम सेशंस कंटिन्यू करते रहेंगे, मैं रहूँगा, आदित्य सर रहेंगे, we will be continuing the sessions. I mean I am proud to say we are one of the few academies जो एंड तक आपके साथ रहेंगे, है ना? तर्कशास्त्र एकेडमी आपके सेशंस 22 नवंबर तक चलेंगे. 23rd November we will have a small meetup and then 24th you will go for the exam, and post that also we will be supporting you. But we are ready to take those efforts. Are you ready to reciprocate in that manner? And that is very important. And if you do that, as MS Dhoni says, you focus on the process and the result will follow. So just focus on the process, put your head down and make sure that you start the preparation for the CAT exam. Next 30 days में जान लगा. ठीक है, चलो let us start with the session, stocks and shares. Okay.